We went out to dinner, I don't even remember when it was, a little while ago, in Queens. And I didn't want to park in the parking lot of the restaurant because I thought someone was going to hit the car. So I parked on the street, and some idiot obviously backed into the car and dislodged the bumper a little bit.
So basically, in here, there's a fastener. It's going to hold this, like, if you can pull, see if you can pull this back.
Hold on, I'm gonna lower our GoPro a little bit.
I'm gonna have to pull this like this.
Yeah.
And then I gotta put the fastener in. And then it's a, it's a screw fastener that splits. I gotta take these off though. There we go. That actually worked better, actually. That's basically a little hook pull. Stuff underneath. Let's see what's underneath now. All the things that come into play with cars. This is how you keep them good. Keep up on them. That's the key to it.
Oh, there's 2 screws.
Well, I might not have to do those, maybe. What did I do with my pad? Oh, I was going to take the pad.
You're gonna do what? Oh, the pad that I'm sitting on? You want it?
Yeah, because I need for my knees. I'm sorry. This is the knees.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know what it is anymore. It hurts. Yeah, I gotta do bolts with those bolts. And I should be able to pull it back. Of course, that one is a little different. It should be good. I should be able to, yeah, because I can see it now. Once I pull it. So I'm gonna do 2 bolts. Maybe 3. I should be able to pull this back
And see what's
and
going
just
on.
do something here. This is going to need either a bolt to clamp this back, but we'll see. All right, so let's see, 10 pommel. Lots of things are always 10. And what is it? A 10. All right, we can do this. You see. It's not. It's frozen.
No, you're kidding.
Oh yeah.
Because it's rusted shut.
Yep. Same thing.
All right, it's not a.
Yep. Got it. All right, that one went. Let's look at this one.
So why is it hanging? It.
Alright, so that's got to push back in.
Because one day we went to a restaurant, when we came out of the restaurant was when it was hanging. So somebody obviously
So basically what happened
hit
was
the car.
Hit this, right?
Yeah.
There's a clip here. It drove it out of the clip. So it's not in that clip right now, which I'm going to get it back in that clip. Then I'm going to do a bolt from here to here to put it back, and then we'll be good again.
Do you need the bolt if you get it the clip back in place that was out of place?
No, you need that bolt.
So there was always a bolt there and there wasn't?
That's the part I don't know. Maybe some body work at one point. I think there should be a bolt there.
Interesting.
That's going to hold this tight. See how tight that's got to be?
Yeah.
It's not.
I don't ever recall having body work done on.
Well, boom. The bolt sometimes breaks or pops out. I gotta see what I have in the kit. So I'm gonna take a quick ride, go get a bolt.
Okay.
and then we can put all this back, and that's another thing fixed, which, you know what?
Cross off the list.
Yeah.
And I'm sure this has happened to other people, so it's...
Yeah, it's quite common that people just hit these things and knock them out.
Okay.
And a lot of people just like leave them flank, you know, going like this.
Oh, it's been driving me crazy. What'd you find?
I got some stainless steel stuff from Lowe's, so this won't rust. And also, what I'll do too is I put oil on it, so in case we have to deal with it in any fashion, form, or way.
And where are you putting it exactly?
All right, so basically, see there's a hole here?
Uh-huh.
And then there's a hole in the fender up here.
That I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get, but let's
right
see.
here, on the top.
So. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get that. Okay, so basically there probably was something there at one time,
Yes.
and it got knocked off.
Yep.
And so now you're replacing it with something that should last.
Yeah, it lasts a long time.
Okay. Maybe I need to go on the other side of your arm. Take this off the GoPro.
Like I said, this is exactly factory.
Okay, now I think maybe I could show it. I don't know if I can get, let's see. Trying to get underneath there. I think what I need is your finger to just, oh, yes, the hole's there. Okay, I was finally able to get to the hole.
Alright, so I'm going to slide that one first.
Okay.
And I'm going to tighten it, and then after it's tight, then I'm going to put all the other pieces back in. Should be good.
Okay. So it was missing the bolt.
It's missing
Is
the
the-
fastener.
Is the bottom line.
Obviously,
Okay.
the factory had something
There.
that can break off really easy.
Yes. Okay.
And now we're having problems. So I'm doing it in a way that's going to be stronger and will last.
Do you want me to put the phone down and help you? I have smaller fingers.
Let's see.
Will smaller fingers help?
There we go. That's what I wanted
You
to
did
do.
it.
That's what I wanted to do. Okay. That's step number one.
Okay.
Step number two is, let me do it again. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm going to go here. The other thing too is I got to put in there.
So now you're lining it up with the bottom piece.
There we go. There we go. Alright, now I can pull this out.
Now I have a hat in the way. I do it like
It's funny, I'm glad I grabbed the long bolt. I didn't think, you know, it's funny, I was looking at small bolts, but actually the long bolt actually makes it easier than it could be. Alright, so now
So now you're going behind this rubber piece
yep, not easy either.
to finish with the nut.
Exactly.
Okay. It's going to be impossible to see, but
Not
I
be
think
easy.
everybody's getting the idea.
Alright, so that's basically it. I mean, it's very, like, now I need, like, to get the room and
So you're saying, Margaret, get out of the way.
yeah, it's,
Okay.
it's just going to be like one of those things. You got to fiddle, you got to faddle, you got to. And right now, like, I got to get in a better position. To,
All right.
but we'll get it, and it's going to be better than ever. That's the way it usually works.
You got it in?
I'm tightening as we speak. Now it's a matter of the tool. Okay. Let's see. So it fits.
The man of many tools has brought with him
A little ratchet.
a little baby ratchet.
Alright, so that would be loosened. That would be tightened. Okay. Fits the knot. Now I gotta somehow get it around the knot and just crank away. Which hopefully that should happen really easy. It's very tight in here too.
It is. Nobody can really see what you're doing because there's a...
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even bother filming anymore. Actually, you know what? I got another idea too.
What's that?
So we know it's a 12. So we're gonna use this.
Okay.
That. So now I can kind of go in, up, and then tighten.
Okay.
See how that works. I said it's all on the job, you know, thinking. Actually, I'm gonna do this too.
I like how all these things just integrate with each other.
Yeah. So I'm looking for the stud, right? I feel it.
Yeah.
What you do is you kind of like find it, and you just guide the thing.
Excuse
It's
me.
not easy. It really is not. Persistence. Takes persistence.
Excuse me. Would you like a cold water?
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta take a little break because, it's the angle, it's this, it's that. You go back at it, and it's that stupid angle that makes the difference that you get it on, One more time. I'll be an expert at this by the time we're done. Done.
Sweet.
There you go. It's as tight as it can go. It's on the clamp. It's on. That's it. Now we put the rest back. And
Beautiful.
it wasn't easy. All right. So now we're ready for all the pins to go
Okay.
back.
So the plastic piece is back under the bumper. And now it's a matter of putting the pins back?
Yeah, basically you pull them back and you squeeze like that. to
Squeeze
push in
them.
the hole.
Okay. Got it.
All right.
And then you just pop them back in.
And you go like that.
And make sure they're kind of flush against the thing.
Once again, same thing. I
Okay.
pull like that to get this started. Get it in.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a different looking pin.
It's probably aftermarket. Actually, this one is up here, I think. And I'm looking at. That's the same one. Some of them are aftermarket. We had to buy because the other one snapped.
I don't ever remember anyone working on the front of this car that they would have to do
Not
that.
that long ago, before we did the lights. We had to take this stuff off.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I forgot about that.
All right, now I gotta look underneath. I just, I gotta tighten. That's it.
So now you want to change that bolt.
I'm debating on what I want to do here. I might do a push pin like plastic. There's not much we can really do because the thing like ripped from spinning. So I gotta like it's not an urgent thing. It's like one of those. It's okay. It's not gonna ruin the day. This was important. This is just like less. All right, so this we gotta clean up.
And what's that?
That goes in the bottom on the corner. Same thing, that was rusty too. But this one's able to come out. So basically what I do with these things, as you can see,
Kind of clean them.
wire brush them, get the rust off them. And then you put a little oil on it. I put this one back.
Yep, oiling it on the grass.
It's okay. A little oil ain't gonna do nothing. Now we gotta take this off.
All right.
Now we're gonna put a push pin in there and we're good. That's it.
Choices.
Yeah. Just in case one of these two will work. Will help. They're gonna be perfect. Sometimes this is what you run across. You like have to modify, especially with this climate that we live in.
If I went underneath, would they be able to see what you're doing? Let's see.
Yeah, that worked. Push pin. I just push the push pin back right in here. And it's holding it right here.
Ah,
See?
it looks like you could tap it in a little bit.
No, just leave it alone. It's perfect.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh,
Done.
I see. So it should have been a bolt
Yes.
like that one.
Yeah, but it just broke, it spun, it elongated the hole. So now we had to modify it. That will work.
Okay.
Is it perfect? No, but it'll do its job.
And it won't come out.
No.
Excellent. Hey everybody, it took us a year, but it is only because there is no shortage of projects keeping us busy between the house and the cars. And what we wanted to do, as you can tell in the video, is we wanted to time this with changing the brakes on my car. Unfortunately, I'm not sure that we're going to be able to show that video because I failed miserably as film crew on that demonstration. But anyway, back to the bumper clips. This is now complete, and we wanted to show you that John's Remedy actually brought this back into alignment. So please, drop us a line if you've got any questions about how he handled it. Just let us know. We're happy to answer.